So we're still filling the jar, and I had to make another video. So okay. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to stir this. And then once it's all stirred, you put the lid on it, and you can save it for however long you want.